Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to design a sign-up flow in Stitch. All right, it's actually pretty easy. So first off, go and log into your Stitch account under stitch.withgoogle.com. Now, once you're in here, okay, before prompting, make sure to select, would it be an app or a web design? Okay, I'm just going to go and select a web design right here. And then you'll have to make sure that you outline the steps your sign-up flow needs. For example, enter an email, create a password, profile setup, or even an email verification. And Stitch right here works best when you focus on one screen at a time. So you'll generate each as part, okay, separately. Now the prompt box right here, just describe the initial screen, okay? Be clear and concise using UI or UX keywords to guide the AI, okay? So for example, let's just go back to app. Now use this as sample prompt, a mobile sign-up screen with fields for email and password, a sign-up call to action button, and a login link for existing users. Okay, use a minimalist style with a clean blue color palette. So just go ahead and click on generate right here, wait for it to load, and Stitch right here will give you any suggestions if you wanted to add more pages or something else. Okay, so just wait for it. Okay, as you can see here, Stitch right here says the design has been generated for your mobile app. So screen, a minimalist sign-up screen featuring email, just like what I said earlier. And we like to make any adjustments to this screen or design another one. Okay, so basically it just tells you that if you want to, you could go ahead and further iterate. Okay, just select the screen right here, click on generate, and then add some variations if you want to, or click on edit, add to chat. Here we have it. Now go ahead and add in some more prompts if you don't like this one. Okay, if not, if you like it and if you wanted to generate sequence screens, okay, you can just go ahead and add in right here the prompt box a new screen for the next step of the flow, a simple profile setup page with a profile picture upload area and a field for the first name, last name, and to continue button, just like that. And then hit on generate, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, all you need to do is just go ahead and export the code and assemble in Figma if you want to. Okay, now as you can see here, it's done. It says the design has been generated. So what you'll do is just scroll down right here. And here we have the create your profile section. Okay, that is it. That is how you design a sign-up flow in Stitch. Now, if you want to, you could go ahead and zoom out and use the select tool and move it wherever you want, like so. Okay, well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.